Unlocking the secrets of building wealth. Empower your finances. Ever wondered how the wealthy seem to get wealthier? It's not just luck, it's strategy. Let's dive into the secrets of building wealth. And no, it's not just about earning more. First, let's bust a myth. You don't need to be rich to start. It's all about being smart with what you have. Did you know that, according to Forbes, investing just $100 a month from age 25 could net you over $1 million by retirement? Diversification is your best friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Stocks, bonds, real estate, even a side hustle. Mix it up. Budgeting isn't boring. It's your wealth-building blueprint. Track where your money goes. Small savings today can mean big bucks tomorrow. Warren Buffett said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." Start small, think big, and watch your wealth grow. It's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. Ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's get wealthy wisely. Ready to transform your finances? Let's grow together. And here you have it. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to visit the link given in the description for more information. Have a nice day.